Hi everybody, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this. First time I've ever seen, you've heard of bed in the box. This is a sofa in the box. This is great. Thank you guys for sending this. This is amazing. This is one of the most simplest instructions I've ever seen because here's your instructions. You cut it open and let it sit for 72 hours and that's it. It requires no tools at all. The only tools that's actually required, which are not even really required, but it's nice they send, is a razor just to open it up. So that's what I'm going to do now is go ahead and open this up and show you the sofa, and then we're going to go ahead and get it set up. But much like the bed in the box, you're going to cut this thing open, making sure not to damage the product, and then we're going to go ahead and let it expand out, and it's already trying to expand out here. This is going to be 110 inches long. This is a sofa with the Chaise and Chaise area there. It's got the pillows, everything you need to have. And there she blows. Now this thing is great because again, this is a frameless sofa, and this thing is expanding out huge already. What I'm going to go ahead and do is cut the other one open before it engulfs me here, and then I'll go ahead and put it together and show you how it looks. All right, so I've got that first section put out there. This thing is huge compared to what I assumed it would be. I mean, I knew 110 inches long was big, but when it came in these two small boxes, I wasn't entirely sure what to expect. It's almost magical watching this thing just come alive. Now this is the Chaise part of it that's going to be there for the foot part. And I mean, this is a wonderful fabric. This is a nice, very soft and plush fabric. This has got arm pieces on this thing, 10.5 inches, these arms. So again, very wide. You could easily put things on these, which is great. Like the fact that it's got nice wide arms, and it's a very minimalist design. So everything about this is very modular, very minimalist, but the fact that it comes with everything that you need, and it has no frame and nothing to assemble. I mean, even right out of the box, this already looks amazing. In 72 hours, when this thing fully cures out and fluffs out, it's going to be really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for the 72 hours, and then we'll come back and show you what she looks like. So now it's been 72 hours sitting here, and this thing really did plump when you cooked it. This thing here, it's solid, it's very well plump, it's got all the little fur on this thing, is obviously so cushy, so nice, and it actually is all fluffed up. I really like the couch, my pets like the couch, the kids like it. It's all nice in the fact that this is one solid unit. Again, I can't explain how, I don't know how they packed all this into such a small package to get it delivered. But this is a huge couch that actually has, you know, the Chaise and everything else on here, and it is solid to the point it's comfortable, but it's solid to where I don't think it's going to break down over time. So that's really great. Loving the fact that it's got these wide arms. That's great for a tablet, laptop, lounging around, cup of coffee in the morning. Very sleek, modern, minimalist design that I think should work for many years to come.